too far. To talk too much ain't never too smart. While the wise one listen wisdom, while the fools talk money talks. While the bullshit walks, it's the same shit like down to New York. The talk on the smartphone ain't never too smart. Loose lips sink ships, better keep your crew sharp. Or end up fishing with the blue sharks. Some buy car, others choose art. I buy a pair of new Nikes or a new box. I don't do clubs, I'd rather do parks. Pressure exercise and give my youth a head start. Fresh fruits and juice for breakfast. Stimulate the minds ready for the next class. Economics education only when we get past. But the last shall be first and the first shall be last. Watch everything I said come to pass. See the phoenix rise up from the underclass. Charge fit home the next 100 yards. If the boss can't feed his hungry dogs, yeah, me out of house and home all is under draws. So we can buy mumsy a yard. Sponsor the homeless and his hungry dog. Say mate, just because love is love. To bumper clock, if there's no love, suck it like your mum's on the bar. Until she get yeast infection from the start. Can't always show enough respect from the start. Sleep is the cause of the death. Ask Uncle Nas. Chumps, even Ricky can't run so fast. So pay attention in class. That's best things are free and for the rest have been charged. Supply and demand come from book by the sarge. Cool in the act, so the scrap. Yeah, and I'm black by the blah. The game of street soldier, son by the draft. Yeah. Another nice little session there.
Come on, man.
Got the lungs going in there.
Done, though.
They used to come by inspiration.